This is a Belgian Coticule Sharpening stone. As you can see, this one has quite a pink surface. Comes to the area. Focus. It's a small bit of a chamfer to the side on the Belgian blue. That evens out. Let's square it off on this side. Sort of like a slice of pie, as you can see. If it would ever focus, there we go. It's the Belgian blue side. Pretty typical material. This stone is 6 15/16 of an inch long by 1.5 inches wide. If it would ever focus, 5 32nds of an inch thick for the cuticle. The Belgian blue is about 11/16 of an inch. And there are big chamfers at the end because they were there when I got it. And it has the pink surface features like a heat rash almost. As you can see. Zoom out. Narrow stones are good for razors that can have a little bit of a warp. They're very useful for that. And also quite nice if you just hone on water only, I find anyway. Quite user friendly, more user friendly than you would think. Anyway, cuticle.